Let's get your baseline FX system on your vehicle. To complete this system, you will need 2 baseline FX crossbars and 2 sets of base clips. For the installation, you'll need the included torque wrench and tape measure, as well as a flathead screwdriver or coin if you're in a pinch. Baseline FX comes in multiple crossbar lengths, and the base clips are vehicle or application specific, so please make sure you have all the right parts for your vehicle by using the Fit My Car tool on Yakima.com. Pro tip, you'll want to record your vehicle's specific specifications here, so it's easy to reference. Start with the front bar first. Some vehicles may have different size front and rear bars, so make sure you grab the correct length. First, you will want to grab the front base clip and remove the pads from the plastic feet and apply them on the feet that came with the baseline FX. Press the pads down fully so the lip of the pad is fully seated. With the crossbar on a workbench, loosen the pitch bolts on both towers here until the towers move freely on the crossbar. With the tape measure, set your M1 measurement using the hash marks as shown, being sure to center the bar by measuring equal distance from the hash marks to the center arrow. Before you tighten the pitch bolt, you'll want to set the P1 adjustment on both towers. Grab the tower and rotate to match your vehicle's specifications you recorded earlier, and tighten the pitch bolt until the torque wrench clicks. Making sure your M1 measurement is still correct. Now let's set your toe angle, or your T1, on both towers. Loosen the toe bolt and grab the tower and rotate to the position you recorded earlier, and tighten the toe bolt until the torque wrench clicks. With the M1, P1, and T1 measurements set, now is a great time to apply the front crossbar sticker to the bottom of the crossbar. Now let's get this crossbar on the car, but first remove both covers by pinching here and pulling it straight out. Place the bar on the vehicle, and with a tape measure, set your M2 measurement by measuring from the top corner of your windshield to the front edge of the towers here. You will need to do this on both sides to make sure the tower is centered. With a flathead screwdriver or coin, unlock the inner cover and swing it open. With the torque tool, loosen the drive bolt until the clip nut is at the bottom, then loosen the swing bolt completely. You will need to do this on both towers. With the front base clips, you will need to insert them until they click into place under the clip nut. On each side, with the clip inserted, tighten the swing bolt just until it touches the vehicle, but do not fully tighten. Next, tighten the drive bolts until they touch on the underside of the vehicle, but do not fully tighten. Go back to the swing bolt and fully tighten until the torque wrench clicks. Do this on both towers before moving to the drive bolt. Now, fully tighten the drive bolt on both towers until the torque wrench clicks. To complete the system, repeat all the previous workbench steps with the rear bar, but make sure to swap the rear pads onto the baseline tower feet and use the provided M3, P2, and T2 measurements. With the rear bar ready to place on the car, You will need to measure the distance from the front bar to the rear bar using the M4 measurement. Make sure you're measuring from the same point on each crossbar. With the rear bar in place, install the rear clips using the same process as before. With everything tightened up, check the install. Grab the crossbar and push and pull in all directions. The crossbars should not move. Now it's time to close the inner covers and using the screwdriver or coin, turn the plug to the locked position. If you have SKS lock cores you would like to install, you can do that now by popping out the plug and inserting the core in with a control key. Now, just lock it up. With both bars installed and locked, reinstall all 4 covers, making sure they are fully seated. Now you're ready to hit the road. That's it. Now get out and take it easy.